Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we have another unboxing, and as you see, American Trucks. If you saw my last video, I did an unboxing and an installation on some Morimoto license plate lights, and one of them gave out. So I decided they're really bright. So I decided I'm gonna give him one more chance and buy another pair. And I also bought a little something else for the truck. As y'all know, I have a 2013 Ford F-150 Lariat. I hate when companies put like all this. This is like, bro, like too much. So the package came with a catalog of more things that I'm probably gonna spend my paycheck on. Guys, we got a sticker. It says American Trucks on it. That's badass, honestly. I won't be putting this on my truck. I'm gonna put this on my door that I'm still yet to show you guys, but eventually I will show you guys. So in here, like I said, we got no need to unbox these. Like, these are another set of lights. I think one of them gave out because like the clip itself, I'm hoping that it's not the truck clip that gave out and it's this one that broke. So I'm praying for that. But the next mod or little thing that I got for the truck was a, let me just break this apart, open, and it is a 50 cal bullet antenna. It comes with all the adapters here in the bottom, and it's an antenna. I will be, in the next clip, I'm going to be installing it. It is black. They did not have the white one in stock, but this gives you kind of a idea of the colorway of the truck. So let's go install this. All right guys, well, as you see, like, sorry for the noise in the back. I'm outside, but mine's a stock one, so it was a little tight, so just unscrew it with some pliers. And struggling a little, but I don't like how big this antenna is. I just don't. So get the pliers going, and this packet, like I said, it's the antenna. And it comes with all the adapters. So right here it tells you imports Chrysler, Ford 2008 and earlier, so that's ours. So we need to look for it, which is this one, I believe. Yeah, it is this one. So you just screw it on. It on, and there you have it, from the stock one to this one, and it looks way better, guys. As you see, like, the pattern for the truck is going to be the white and this like pearl and chrome. So I did say this was white, black, pearl, and the chrome. So this adds a little bit more character to the truck. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Again, Instagram's gonna be linked down below. I have pictures and stuff of the truck. So thank you guys for watching, and stay blessed.